Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2E Plants. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is Excel 2E Plant. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 2E plants downloaded with this project. We go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is to the right column of B, insert two new column to create the new blank column C and D. By using the flash fill in two new columns, split the data in a column B into the column item hash in a column C and D category in the category column D. As the necessary type the item hash as the column title is column C, category as the column title is column D. Delete the column B. To the right column of B, select the column B. To the right column of B, to insert new column, right click, inserts. To the right column of B, inserts and again insert column. New column to create the new blank column C and D. By using the flash fill in the two new column, split the data in a column B into column A for item hash in the column C and category column D. Using the flash fill column, copy the value 1123, paste the value, and by using the flash fill, go to the home tab, go to the editing group, click the flash fill, and next is a C and D. By using the flash fill in two new columns, split the data in a column B and category column C and category column D. Select the category column D, copy the tables and select the cell as D14, press enter and apply the flash fill. Go to the home tab, go to the data group, click the flash fill. As the necessary type the item hash as the column title in the column C and category column title is column D. Delete the column B. Copy the item hash column C, select the column C, item hash, press enter and the column title is category. Copy the category and column D is the title is category, press enter button and delete the column B. Select the column B, right click and delete the column, delete column B. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is by using the cut and paste command, cut column C category and paste it column H and then delete the empty column C, apply the autofit column A to G. By using the cut and paste command, cut column C and paste column H. Select the column C, right click and cut the column C and paste column H. Select the column H and paste the column H and then delete the empty column C. Select the column C, right click and delete the empty column C and apply the autofit column A to G. Select the column A to G, apply the autofit column, is the double click, column G is the apply the autofit column. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in a cell B4, insert the function to calculate the total item in stock by summing the quantity in stock data and then apply the comma style 0 decimal places to the result. In a cell B, insert the calculate total item stock in the summing quantity stock data. Select the cell B, B4. Select the cell as B4 and insert the function calculate the total item stock summing the quantity stock data. Type is equal to type the sum function and range is quantity stock column. Select the range A42, close bracket, press enter button and apply the comma style 0 decimal places. Apply the comma style and 0 decimal places, click the number and decimal places 0 decimal places, click OK. So question number 4 is the complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in a E cell in the ranging B5 to B8, insert the function to calculate the average, median, lowest and highest retail price and then apply the accounting number formats. Copy the range B5 to B8 and paste the range. Select the range B5 to B8 and insert the function to calculate the average, median, lowest and highest retail price and then apply the accounting number format for each result. Type is equal to type the average function and the range is median, lowest, highest and retail price. So the range is retail price D42, close bracket, press enter button. So the result is 22 and then apply the accounting number format for each results, average and median. Insert the median function, type is equal to type the median function, range is retail price. D42, 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 close bracket, press enter button. So the result is 18.65 and second also is the insert the lowest price. This is the lowest price. Type is equal to type the minimum function and range is retail price. Select the retail price D42, close bracket, press enter button. So last is the highest price, retail price is the max function. Type is equal to and insert the max function. Select the ranges retail price D42, close bracket, press enter button and then apply the accounting number formats. Go to the home tab, Go to the number group, click the counting number formats. So the question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a move the range A4 to B8 to the range D4 to E8. Apply the 40% ascent force cell style to the range and then select the column D to E and apply the out-of-it column. Move the range A4 to B8. Copy the range A4 to B8 and paste the range. So select the A4 to B8 range and to the move the range is D4 to E8. Move the range D4 to E8 and apply the 40% ascent force cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the style group, click the cell style, 40% ascent force cell style. 40% ascent force cell style and select the column D to E, apply the out-of-it column. Select the column D to E, apply the out-of-it column. Is the double click column, E is the apply the out-of-it column. So question number 6 is the complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is in the cell C6 type the statistics and then select the range C4 to C8, display the format cell dialog box, merge the selected cell and change the text orientation to the 25 degrees and format the cell with the bold and change the font size is 40 pt. Apply the middle align and aligner rights. Select the cell as C6. Select the cell as C6 and type the statistics. Copy the statistics and paste the statistics, press enter and then select the range as C4 to C8. Copy the range, paste the range and display the format cell dialog box. Merge cell is selected and change the text orientation is the 25 degrees. Right click and click the format cells. Go to the alignments tabs and click the merge cell. Select the merge cell and change the text orientation is the 25 degrees. Degree is the 25 degrees and format the cell with the bold and change the font size is 40 pt. Click OK. Go to the home tab and font group, click the bold and change the font size is 40 pt. 40 pt font size and apply the middle align and aligner right. Apply the middle align and aligner right. Middle and right. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is in the category column, replace all occurrence of the vines roses with the peto roses. Category column, select the category column and replace all occurrence of the vine roses with then peto roses. So shortcut button is the Control F is the find and replace dialog box, and replace all occurrence is the wine roses. Copy the wine roses, paste the find what is the wine roses, click the replace is the patio roses, be the patio roses, and replace with this, click replace all done. We made 7 replacement, click ok and click close. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is in a cell B10 use the counter function to count the number of speciality and plants types in the category column. Select the cell is B10, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is B10 and use the counter function to count the speciality and plant the type in the category column. Type is equal to type the counter function and open the counter function dialog box. Range is a copy the specialty. So range is the category column